Alrighty guys, big day today. We're going to see if we can get this VL of mine close to on the road. Hopefully we're going to see how far we get today, but I'm hoping to get through shocks, springs, pads, rotors, wheel bearings, panhard rod, and hopefully steering wheel and boss kit. If we can get all that done, that'll be good. Also got some Bailey channels for the front windows. I don't know if we're going to get to those today, but we're getting close to with the VL. It's been a long process. It's been, well, it's been off the road for 7 years when I got it. Probably 4 years ago now. So what's that? It's been off the road for 11 years. So it's yeah, pretty keen to get it all happening. I have to stare at it every day. It's sitting there and I can't use it, so on the unregistered vehicle permit out to my mate Shane's. He runs 501 Automotive Solutions, and he's going to help us put it all together. So he's got his own VL. He's got a 5-litre Calais, all original factory car, other than the spray job, but yeah, nice car. Yeah, we go back way back to Wollongong days, back in high school. We always said we were going to build a VK, and then somehow we both ended up with VLs. But it's all good. So big day today. Yeah, pretty keen to get it all done. The other car on the channel is my black VSSS. Little update with that. That's done a rear main on it and threw a set of bearings in it while we were doing that. Had the rear bumper all fixed up after the cleaner at work decided to run into it. But that's all done under insurance. That's all looking pretty sweet now. So yeah, I'll throw a photo up of that in a sec. But yeah, SS is looking good. Now to try and get the VL all sorted. So big day. So that was a very successful day. We managed to get the pads, rotors, front wheel bearings in, managed to get the wheel and boss kit on. Obviously needs a bit of an alignment. We didn't quite get that straight. I thought it was straight when we drove it in, but obviously it wasn't, so we'll tidy that up when it goes for its alignment. And then rear wheel bearings we didn't get to do because planning on going a true track 31 spine, so we'll do it all then. So that's it. Oh, we did the panhard rod as well today. Didn't get to the Bailey channels yet, but they'll be coming. yeah, all the bushes and all that sort of stuff will be done hopefully in a couple of weeks. And we're thinking about going a high comp motor, just while I'm so pull this out, do a high, just find a block from somewhere, high comp it, and then get mine rebuilt and spend my time, but at least I can enjoy it in the meantime. So hoping to have that done in 3-4 weeks, hopefully, but we'll see how we go. But it feels a lot tighter, heaps better. Turns out it was original shocks that they had May 87 build date on there, so 208,000 Ks on a single pair of shocks. That's questionable, but anyway, so yeah, all bushes, we're going to go Super Pro bushes. That'll hopefully be in 3 or 4 weeks as well. Yeah, so massive thanks to Shane at 501 Automotive. Yeah, can't recommend him anymore. What a legend. Cheers guys, see you in the next one.